Introduction to Entry-Level Cybersecurity Certifications.
Getting started in cybersecurity often means choosing the right certification. 3 popular entry-level options are CompTIA Security Plus, CompTIA Cybersecurity Analyst, also known as CySA Plus, and the System Security Certified Practitioner, or SSCP. Each offers unique features and benefits for those beginning a career in cybersecurity. Let's explore their differences to help you decide which certification fits your goals.
Security Plus, Foundational Knowledge for Beginners.
Security Plus is widely regarded as a core certification for beginners. It covers essential cybersecurity concepts like threats, attacks, risk management, cryptography, and network security. Security Plus is recommended for those seeking a broad introduction to the field, including IT professional and career changers. Its vendor-neutral approach makes it a popular starting point for entry-level roles such as security analyst or IT security administrator.
CySA Plus, focusing on threat detection and response.
CySA Plus takes a more specialized approach, focusing on proactive defense. This certification emphasizes threat detection, data analysis, and incident response. CySA Plus is ideal for those wanting hands-on skills in identifying and mitigating security threats. It builds on foundational knowledge and is recommended for candidates with some experience in networking or security, aiming for roles like security analyst or threat intelligence analyst.
SSCP, Building Practical Security Administration Skills.
The SSCP, offered by ISE², centers on technical administration and security operations. It covers topics like access controls, cryptography, monitoring, and incident response. Often seen as a practical job-ready credential, the SSCP requires at least 1 year of paid work experience in one of its tested domains. It's well-suited for IT professionals pursuing network or system security administrator roles.
Comparing target audiences and career benefits.
Security Plus is best for true beginners. CySA Plus suits those seeking to build on core skills, and SSCP targets early career professionals with technical experience. All 3 certifications are recognized by employers and can help open doors to entry-level cybersecurity jobs. Choosing the right one depends on your experience, interests, and the specific roles you want to pursue in the cybersecurity field.
Choosing the right certification for you.
Yes, consider your background, learning style, and career goals when choosing. Security Plus provides a generalist's foundation. CySA Plus delves into analytical skills and threat response, and SSCP demonstrates practical knowledge in security administration. Research job postings, talk to professionals, and select the certification that best matches your ambitions in the dynamic field of cybersecurity.